I like how my form has turned out. I don't need to make any more changes, and I'm ready for people to start using this form. The last thing I need to do is publish my form. Publishing my form will make the form available to end users in the web, Unity, and mobile clients. To do this, click the Publish icon on the Designer ribbon. This prompt is letting us know our users will be able to begin using this form. I'm ready to make this form available to the masses, so I'm going to click Publish. Now, something that should be immediately considered after publishing is who can see this form. To see who has access to the form, click Form Visibility on the Designer ribbon. Take a look at our Available Groups column. By default, all OnBase user groups have access to the form. Typically, in other areas of configuration, no security groups are assigned by default. Then we have to add the appropriate groups. If only certain user groups should access our form, we need to deselect the Display for Creation for All User Groups checkbox and then add the appropriate user groups to the Selected Groups column on the right. I'm going to select a few groups here and then click Save. Now that our form is ready to use, let's test filling out a form from within the Unity client. I'm going to click on the Home ribbon and then click the Forms icon. On the left side, we have a list of Unity forms and eForms. To open a form, click the name of the form. I'm going to fill out the form with some test data. The account ID triggers my names and telephone number to automatically fill in. They're planning for early May. There will be 100 of their closest friends and family. We'll have pizza and sushi at the reception. John and Ingrid would like a Game of Thrones style wedding, looking like medieval times. Of course, they'll have a square dance collar with an open bar. I'm going to click to attach the picture. The photo is already saved locally. To create the form as a record or document in OnBase, I just need to click Submit. Anytime you submit the form, OnBase will display this prompt to create another form. I'm not going to create any additional forms right now, so I'm going to click No. So where's the form we just submitted? It has been saved as a document in OnBase. Let's retrieve that form. I'm going to click on the retrieval icon to search for the form. I'm going to first select the document type that was associated with my Unity form, Wedding Planning Form. As an admin, I can do an open-ended search without defining any keywords or dates. I also know there are not many forms in this system. Click Yes to continue the search. I have 2 forms that have been submitted. To view the form, double-click anywhere in the highlighted row, and it will open up in the Document Viewer window. Here is our completed form.